another video of unboxing my new Electro Funko Pop. Anyways, let's unbox it. Oh, by the way, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, guys, this is the Funko Pop. I really like all the looks and the details of the Funko Pop. And I really like how it looks like Electro is levitating, but there's actually just a stand that's attached to his back. So whenever you put the Funko Pop on a flat surface, it makes it look like that it is floating. Anyways, that's all for today's video, guys. Bye-bye.